Hello students, welcome back in the third video on circuit simulator called Falstad. Now in this video I will demonstrate how to construct the circuit and how to simulate the circuit. So we'll take couple of circuits from our assignment number 1A and 1B. So from 1A I will take the first circuit and I will demonstrate how to construct it and simulate it. So let us go back to the circuit simulator screen. Again, I will repeat how to get the screen. So in Google, you have to type, in browser, you have to type www.falstad.com/circuit. So once the screen will open, you will get some circuit on that. So you can blank that circuit. For that, you can go to the circuit menu, circuits menu. You can just click on the blank circuit, right? And then we'll get the blank screen here. Now we'll start with the first circuit from assignment number 1A. After demonstrating this couple of circuits, you people have to simulate all the circuit given in the 1A and 1B. So there are 4 circuit in 1A, 4 circuit in 1B. You know the answers of those particular simulations, circuits analysis, because those answers were given in the assignment itself. Okay, now here you can simulate and see those answers. So your answers should match. So that is what we can say it's verification. So let us start with the first circuit from the 1A, first circuit. So for drawing that particular one, just click on the draw. We need voltage source, so go for the input and sources. In input and sources, click on the add voltage source to terminal. So when you click here, then you have to drag in upward direction, left click and then pull it up, right? If you click and then pull down, it will be opposite polarity, right? So just edit this one and then undo. Okay, similarly I want another source on the right hand side, so I will just drag down, click, and then so this one will just click here on downward side and then pull it up like this. Similarly, we want some resistors here, 2 resistors. So go back to the draw, click on resistor and click here on this point or maybe somewhere here, and then you can just drag on the right hand side. Similarly, click here, drag on the right hand side. Okay, and then finally we want connections, that wire. So click on the draw, add wire, connect these points. If there is a bad connection, it will show with the red dots. If there is no bad connection, circuit will start simulating. So now I have done the connections. I have to set the values. So in our first circuit from first A assignment, the values of the components are. So for that, just I will select the select drag so that I'll get pointer here. And after getting pointer, just set the pointer on that component and right click and then press the edit, so you can edit this particular one. So you can, so value of the voltage source is 10 volt, so you can just write 10 volt, then waveform DC offset 0, then apply. Okay, now as you can see, some source voltage is there and circuit is complete. Now it is showing current. Similarly, set the other values. So for this voltage source, bring the cursor on that voltage, second voltage source, click on the right side, edit, then select the value. It is 5 volt, so 5 volt, waveform DC offset 0, apply. Okay, then register values. Take the cursor on first register, right click, edit. So value of the register. So how much it is? 10 ohm in our circuit. So 10 ohm means just write only 10 because values are in ohms. You can see their resistance in ohms. Then apply. Okay. Similar second register. Now you can see the 10 ohm here. Second register, edit, and again it is 10 ohm. Okay, and then apply and okay. Now you can see circuit is completed and it is in running condition, right? So if you want to stop that particular simulation, on right top side you can see there is a run stop, so you can just stop it like this or you can run it like this. Now you can see the current. It was asked in this assignment, that question number 1 in 1A, find the value of current I using KVL. So what is the current I in this? You can see current I is 250 milliampere, and I was given answer as 0.25 ampere. So 0.25 ampere, I is equal to 0.25 ampere is nothing but 250 milliampere. You can see the right bottom side, I is 250 milliampere. Voltage set is 10 volt on this side, and now power is minus 2.5 watt. If you take the cursor on 10 ohm resistor, it will show the properties of that. So the current through that one is 250 milliampere because it's series circuit. Current is going to remain same. Voltage is 2.5 volt across this resistor. Resistance is 10 ohm, and the power dissipated by this resistor is 625 milliwatt. It was not asked to calculate all this parameter in that question. Only it was asked to find out the current I, that is 0.25 milliampere or 250 milliampere. If you take the cursor on 10 ohm resistor, another 10 ohm resistor, now it will show. Again, see the current is same because it is series circuit. Voltage across that resistor is 2.5 volt. Resistance value is 10 ohm, and power is 625 milliwatt. If you keep the cursor on the second voltage source, it will show the value of the voltage source, that is VD equal to 5 volt, but current is showing minus 2.5, minus 250 milliampere or minus 0.25 ampere. Why? Because this for this source, current is flowing from higher potential to lower potential, so direction of current is like this. But for this source, current is flowing in this direction, that is direction of the current is from higher potential to lower potential, so that is why it is showing negative, right? But if you see the flow of electrons, these dots right now, they are flowing in this direction. Why? Because this is the flow of electron, but actual conventional direction of current is always from the higher potential to lower potential, like this. So here you can see the simulation. In the simulation, the total current flowing through the circuit is 0.25 ampere or 250 milliampere. So let us take the another circuit. Now second circuit from 1A and first circuit from 1B is same, wherein it is asked to find out the current flowing through the 2 ohm resistance, that is I current in the 1A, and in 1B for same circuit it is asked to find out the current through the same resistor 2 ohm using, there it is using KCL, in the first one it is using the KVL, and in this second 1B assignment for the same circuit, it is also asked to find out the power dissipated by that 2 ohm resistor. So I was given the answers in that 1A and 1B. So answer is I is equal to 3 ampere, and power dissipated is 18 watt. So now let us check that answer here. So let us draw the first of all draw the circuit diagram. So for that, let us blank the circuit. Now let us start drawing the circuit. So first you need two voltage sources. So again go for the inputs. In inputs you can select the two terminal voltage source, DC voltage source. Okay. So first one is on this side, then second one is on this side. Just click and okay, now this is going lower side, so undo it. I will make mistakes also here so that you'll understand some problems here. Then second one is we need resistors here. So take the resistor. So when we want like this, another we want like this, then third one we want like this. Okay, and then you need wires here. So select click on draw and then select add wire, and then connect this particular white points here, then these two dots here, then from here. Now here is red showing, that means it is a one bad connection. Can you see at the bottom side one bad connection? So one bad connection means the red one. So we have to connect this with the wire here. Now there is no bad connection. If there is a bad connection, results will be wrong. You will not get the results, proper results. Now you can see there is one bad connection showing here. One bad connection. See the right bottom side. This red dot is showing the bad connection. So what we need to do, just stop the simulation. You'll see this red dot. How to remove this one? Go back to the draw, select drag button, and then click on this link wire, right click it, you can cut it, again go back to the draw, add wire, and join one by one. So from this point to this point, and then you join from this point, white point, to this point. Now there is no bad connection, right? Now let us go for the uh, value selection. So left hand side voltage source is having 10 volt value. So let us say 10 volt DC waveform, apply OK. Right hand side one is how much it is, 5 volt. So let it be as it is, apply OK. Then this resistor value is 1 ohm, hit it and select 1 ohm, apply OK. This one is also 1 ohm, apply OK. The middle one is 2 ohm, 2 ohm, apply OK. All values are selected. Now run this particular simulation. So you can see the right top side, there is a reset, run, stop. So you can click it. Now it will start the simulation. Now what we want the current through. In first assignment, there's 1A, second question, second problem. It is asked to find out the current I using the mesh analysis. So if you just keep the cursor on 2 ohm resistor, it will show the current. You can see the bottom right side, bottom register. For the 2 ohm resistor, current is 3 ampere, and I was given the 3 ampere as an answer, right? Now if you see the 1B assignment, in 1B assignment, first question is same. This means same circuit is there, and it was asked to find out the current I using node analysis, and also find the power dissipated by the 2 ohm resistor. So you can see 2 ohm resistor, I have set the cursor on 2 ohm resistor. Again current showing is 3 ampere, and the power dissipated is 18 watt. So this is how you can see the answers are matching here. Now I don't have the scan copy of this particular circuit diagram which I was given to you, otherwise I would have shown that circuit diagram on the screen. But these circuit diagrams are with you. You can just verify these answers for this 1A and 1B. So after this watching these videos, your job is or task is to simulate all these 4 circuits from 1A and 4 circuits from 1B and save the circuit. How to save the circuit? You can see there is an option in the file. So you can save the circuit, or before that you can insert the what you can say, text also, text, right? So say for example, I will write this as roll number 101, name as some XYZ. Okay. I think there's some problem with this particular export text. So we'll have to go back to the undo. Yeah. Now, suppose if I want to insert the text, I think this is not the correct option. So we'll have to go for the some other option here. Uh, yeah, here you can see in draw outputs and labels, there is a add text. So you can add text here. So it is now saying hello. So instead of that, you can edit it and you can write your roll number, roll number like 101, right? Comma, your name, suppose any name, something like XYZ, whatever. Size you can select, font, center, wherever you want, and then apply OK. So you can see it is there. Now I think hello has to be removed from there. So you can take a center, or maybe draw a bar on the top, and we can keep it a center, or maybe let it be here as it is. Okay, apply. So like this, you can now you can set this at any particular place, maybe at the center or like that, or maybe right side. So if it is your roll number and name, then you can go to the save file, save as, right? So you can click on the link below to save your circuit, right? So it will be saved. Okay, and then you can show in folder. So this will show your circuit, right? And you can save that particular one, right? So this is how you have to save the circuit. Hope you might have understood this particular how to draw the circuit and how to analyze it, right? So drawing is very important one. So there are many other features here. So you can take the various components from here. Then you can have the scopes also. You can have the other options also here, that you can show the current, show the voltage, show the power, show the values, so on and so forth. So maybe in some other video, I will show the remaining features of this particular software. So right now you can just simulate the circuits given in the 1A and 1B, so that you will understand a little bit about this software. So I'll stop here. Thank you very much.